This is a quick look around the racks that I made and painted up last night. I've got about a 45-degree cant on them, so the bags will sit flat against them. With the bags on there, overall width is nearly a metre, just under a metre. Used a bit of right angle steel up underneath the chassis here, just to support the bottom of this side. Also fit my fuel can up there. What I've done here is remove the screws on the side of the visor, so show how it tilts. It's hinged at the front, and we'll give that a go. Just at 110, visor flat, push it up, it's almost a bit better when it's laid back. Let's see what happens when I stand up. You can hear my shirt flapping under the helmet a wee bit. That's not normally there. It's just there somewhere. K's. Again, stand up, it's almost gone. Just there. Really hard trying to do this with one eye closed. Let's go the other way. We're going with the wind.
about there it gets better. Try and stand up a bit. Clear air. Nice. If I find somewhere to stop here, I'll whack the camera on the outside of the helmet.